Let's learn the Crawdad song. This is an easy to play tune with just 3 chords. It's a classic country bluegrass jam, and you can add it to your jam sessions today. You and your friends are going to have a lot of fun with this tune. You just need 3 chords, your C, your G7, and your F chord. What we're going to do is first strum through it, the basic structure with a basic easy strum. Then I'm going to show you a more advanced country strum. And I'll also play a melodic solo. There'll be a few surprises towards the end of this video, so please watch to the end of this tutorial. We're going to strum in this basic pattern of 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, making 1 and 3 light, 2 and 4 strong. The first note we sing is ah, you. A 1, 2, 3. You get a line and I'll get a pole, honey. You get a line and I'll get a pole, babe. You get a line and I'll get a pole. We'll go down to the Crawdad, oh, honey, sugar babe, be mine. Basic structure. Now we're going to pick up the pace and jam the entire tune. But before we do, have you ever wanted to play a bass line like this when you strum? Well, this is a nice gateway into that kind of playing. Pluck the open 3rd string, strum. Then pluck the open 4th string, strum. So that's the pattern we're going to be picking. Pluck, strum, pluck, strum, pluck, strum, pluck, strum. And every once in a while you can make a fill, a rhythmic fill. Pluck, strum, pluck, strum, pluck, strum, pluck, up, down, up. One more time, that's pluck, strum, pluck, strum, pluck, strum, pluck, up, down, up. So I'm using my thumb and my index finger to create this rhythm. To play through that one more time, this time just a little bit faster. You can follow along with the structure right here. Each one of these boxes is 4 beats. By following along with the box notation, you'll really memorize the structure of the song. Each one of these percentage signs means that you're repeating the previous measure. So it's 6 boxes of C, and then the change really pops out of the notation, doesn't it? Helps you to see clearly where the changes are. One additional change will change from C to C7 on our way to F. So let's see about keeping that picking pattern. 3rd string, 4th string, 3rd string, 4th string. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You get a line and I'll get a pole, honey. You get a line and I'll get a pole, babe. Get a line and I'll get a pole. We'll go down to the Crawdad hole, honey, sugar babe, be mine. I'll show you that lick in just a moment, but let's play the entire tune together. While we play the song, I'll be playing a melodic solo for you, and if you'd like to learn it, you can click the links in the video description below to access a whole library of bonus content. Each and every month, I make bonus lessons for members of the Ukulele Zen community. Big love to everybody who supports this channel as a member of the community. Hope you'll check the links and learn about the benefits of membership. If you're enjoying this lesson so far, please reach out, give it a thumbs up. Appreciate you watching. Hope you'll subscribe to this channel right here at Ukulele Zen. So this is our tempo. Sink in with that. Thumb, strum, thumb, strum, thumb, strum, thumb, strum. See if you can just lock in and tap your foot along with your thumb. Tap, tap, tap. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You get a line and I'll get a pole, honey. You get a line and I'll get a pole, babe. You get a line and I'll get a pole. We'll go down to the crawdad, oh, honey, sugar baby mine. Second verse. Wake up, old man, you slept too late, honey. Wake up, old man, you slept too late, babe. Wake up, old man, you slept too late. The crawdad girl just passed that gate, honey, sugar baby mine. Keep the chords going. Get a line and I'll get a pole, honey. Oh, you get a line, I'll get a pole, babe. You get a line and I'll get a pole. We'll go down to the crawdad, oh, honey, sugar baby mine. Tag it now, honey, sugar baby mine. One more time, honey, sugar baby mine. All right, thanks for jamming along. Now, I promised that I would teach you that little lick I did. There's two of them. First one, you play a C major. Your ring finger's on the 3rd fret. Slide it up to the 7th fret. And the index, the middle finger's on the 7th fret. So you're separated by a string. 7th fret, 3rd string, 7th fret, 1st string. Pinch those two notes, okay? That means just pick them both at the same time. Move it down to the 6th fret. Move it down to the 5th fret. And now 4th and 3rd fret. Now that's a motion of harmonic 6s. Really nice sound. Good first step is just to get comfortable moving from the C chord up to that pattern. All right, do it slowly. Make sure your hand is light and comfortable. Breathe and smile at your hand. And then you can start to break up your picking. All right. Now, you can, of course, approach this with different rhythms. Honey, sugar baby mine. So that's one idea. Take those notes and reorder them. All right, lots of different ways they can be played. The second idea begins with a double stop here at the 3rd fret, covering 2 strings, 2nd and 1st string. Right after I pluck those 2 strings, I hammer my ring finger onto the 5th fret of the 2nd string. That's a very soul blues kind of motion. Okay, just do it one time. Relax onto the neck. It's very easy to overdo this kind of motion and squeeze too hard. Feel the hands settle. Okay? If you're enjoying this, by the way, please reach out. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. Take your time. Just bullseye each attempt, right? Instead of doing it 10 times in a row really fast, just do it once. And don't forget to breathe and smile at your hand. Really makes a difference. Then take the finger off. Okay? And then I'm going to play 5th fret and 3rd fret, 4th fret and 3rd fret, slides down to 2nd fret and 1st fret, and then open. When you put it all together, I'm picking with my thumb 2 strings each. That's just blocking it out. You can also fill in the space, all right, between the 4th fret and the 3rd fret and the 2nd fret and the 1st fret, right? So take these ideas and use them, please. Steal these. I hope they serve you well. Thanks very much for watching. Be sure to click the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I hope this message finds you doing well, enjoying jamming, enjoying good health, enjoying life. Until we see each other again, keep on jamming.